In this video, I'll be going over proportions, solving proportions with variables. The way to solve proportions is to cross multiply. Here are 4 examples. What we're doing here is trying to find the x value. So for example number 1, we can see x is the numerator above 30. So what we want to do is cross multiply. So 5 would times by x, and 2 would times by 30. And so we would take 2 times 30 equals 5x. So 2 times 30 equals 60. 60 equals 5x. And we would divide 5 on both sides, and x will equal out to 12. So that's the answer for the first example. Now for the second example, we're going to do the same thing. Multiply. So we will have 36x, because 36 times x, and then 6 times 12. Then we'll rewrite this as 36x equals 72. Then we divide by 36, both sides, and x equals 2. Now for the third example, we'll multiply 15 to 24 and 8 to x. So 15 times 24 equals 8x. And on a calculator, if you punch in 15 times 24, you will get 360 equals 8x. Now let's divide both sides by 8 so we can get x by itself. And x would become 45. Now the last example, we'll do the same. 20 times 26 and x times 50. And by the way, you could multiply them in any order you like, but they do need to be cross multiplied. So 20 times 26, you could do 26 times 20. Either way, the answer will be the same. Same way with x times 50 or 50 times x. So if we go 20 times 26, and it equals 50x, and we will get 520 equal 50x. Then we divide both sides by 50. And we get 10.4 equals x. So these 4 examples are how you would solve proportions. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.